Hello my art viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the inverted art method and the process. So first open your Play Store and search for PicsArt. And now you will insert the image which you want to draw. So select the image and you need to upload in this way. So then you need to go for FX and in that you need to select colors. From colors you will go to the negative image. So select the negative image. Yeah, it's not see, you can see it is negative image. So after selecting you need to save to your gallery. Now we are going to draw this image and then we'll invert it. So let's start without any delay. I already made this outline, so the lightest regions I drawed with my pencil, so I'm going to use HB pencil here mostly. So the exactly what you are seeing, that thing you need to draw on this paper. So don't make too dark or too light, so do as it is on your paper, then the results will be amazing. So believe in me and start with the HB pencil and we are good to go now. Here the invert or negative image is that the light means the white region will become black and the black region will be white. So here our eyebrows will be black, right? So generally everyone eyebrows will be black. So there you should not draw any black spots. So here and there you need to draw few hair so that the black and white mix you can see. So in this way we are shading above the eyebrow and below the eyebrow so that the eyebrow in the between it will look white and little hairy look. Okay, so here and there we'll add little hair so that it will look more attractive. And in this way we are going to use the cross hatching technique all over the face, and this is not our hyperrealistic art, remember this. And we are not going to concentrate on each and every single part. This main motto of this video is to show how to convert the normal image into inverted image of the negative image, so that you can do many experiments using this type of apps. Okay, so preferably I'm using PicsArt, but you can try plenty of apps. So in this way we are going to do the eyeball and the eyelashes and eye part completely. So in a thing that will be black, generally here the white thing you need to draw. So in the black eyeball you will have the white spot, but here it is totally different, that is opposite, white ball with the black dot. So remember it is an inverted image or the negative image. So please be conscious and don't draw as usual. So it is totally different and we are doing this new experiment in order to entertain ourselves and get a break from the interesting things. So after doing this I really felt happy because the output is super good. So here I didn't give much details, but the inverted image showed many details. So let's see. So don't skip any part because everything is important, and do follow the steps in order to get the exact image. So if you wish to see my reference image, it is towards left, or in starting of the video I showed it. And if you want to try the same image, let me add this link to the description. So if you wish to try, please check the description box. I'll add this link over there and you can happily do. While selecting the reference image here, remember one thing, it should be totally black and white. In the sense, the image should be black and white, the one thing. And here you need to pick image in the sense like it should be black thing. So you can select cat, a tiger, different things, but it should be black and white so that you can show the inverted things easily and it will be more attractive. So first of all, if you want to try to draw some inverted images, do draw some magical lines, shade it, and then take a picture and then observe, so that you'll get an initial idea and you can directly apply on the main image. So that is up to me, but you can try in that way. And yes, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon, and please support me to reach more. So here you'll get the interesting things and you will definitely enjoy the content. So please be connected and we will hit 1K family so soon. So I'm really super excited to feel the good thing. Yeah. And coming to our artwork, here I'm not concentrating on much, because here the eyelashes, you need to show only less eyelashes. Don't make it too thick or don't make it 1 or 2 3 layers. So make sure you are doing only one layer. Please don't miss this light gray look, because this light gray and dark gray will really show the different look, and do as it is as the image you are seeing towards the left side. And yes, here it is totally dark under the eye, so I'm really applying 2 layers or 3 layers, or I'll apply directly charcoal, I don't know, but I'll make it dark as possible. And here also it is little dark. And here, yes, don't miss the spots, because these spots will turn into super good image. So believe in your process and don't even miss single dot, okay? And in this way we are applying and we are going to lips. And here the interesting part is, you should not do much. See, only little lines here and there and little strokes I'm giving, but output is really, oh wow, what is this? I really felt super amazing after seeing the last output. So please be conscious enough to see that. Okay, so in this way we are spreading all over, and it is little light gray, so that's why I'm spreading here dark gray. So don't blend it too much, because it is rough paper. And yes, I forgot to say, it is really rough paper. I'm not working on smooth paper right now, and this is rough paper from the normal book. Okay, normal book in the sense, it is not normal notebook, but it is some kind of art paper, but it is really normal paper, so it is really affordable and yes, easily available. And yes, here I'm going to use this cotton pad, so that this will spread evenly. Unfortunately, I don't have tissue paper beside me, so that's why I'm using this cotton pad. Otherwise, I'll use tissue paper only. Okay. In this way, I'm using 5B of Staedtler pencil. So I'm darkening the darkest tones. You can see I'm just applying the other layer on the dark tones. So here and there. So that's why I speed up my process. In that way, you can save your time. So here also I'll darken it, and I'm spreading with cotton pad, and this process is really easy. So that's why you can see in this way. And here little highlights, so sunlight is falling, so that's why little highlights we are going to give. And yes, now the interesting thing, skin texture. So don't bother much, so give the spots, the white spots here and there all over this black tone, and the white tone also, but it is not clearly visible. But when you convert this image into inverted or negative image, you can see each and every detail. So be cautious of giving this dots, and it should really look like skin texture. So make the dots really thin. And yes, again, after once we are done with this application, we are going to blend with the makeup brush. So in this way we did the nose part. Okay, so I missed it, so I'm covering here the nose part. Here also we are trying to apply the other layer, because it is little dark. Okay, so extras, please do remove the extras. and because the black spots will be converted into white, so please remove the extras. And hair, here you can see the hair, it is really bunchy, bushy and the curled hair. So this will be so interesting to draw, but here I couldn't record the curls, understand it, because I missed that clip. And please do just I applied 3333 all over the image, so I'll show that image. So here also we are going to use the cross hatching lines and we are filling in, okay, and we are going to blend it with the cotton pad. So blend it properly, don't show this line effect, and if you are feeling you added much, please do erase the extras. Again I'm repeating in this way. So here the line, you should not show the line, and yes, so here we are blending properly, don't show this cross hatching lines, it should be smooth enough, okay. And here the irregular lines I'm adding so that it will look like hair, okay. The curls you need to add here and there, bushy look, okay. Yes, so here we are using Tombow Mono 0 eraser. See how I'm adding it. I hope this will be easy technique. And see, I am using the blending stump here and there, I'm adding this curly look. So we are almost done with this image. Let's see how to convert it and let's see how the final look will be. So yes, here I'm adding eyebrow hair, I prefer to add it last. Here the darkest tones and the pores and all, I'm adjusting it. So if you're super happy with the final look, please go and see how to insert in the PicsArt. So let's go. 1, 2 and 3. No. Sorry. Wait for the lips part. We didn't covered it. So lines I'm adding it with the 5B directly. So it is really dark. So that's why I'm adding with 5B and the upper lip. Yes. See, I'm erasing extras. Okay. So blend it and we'll go for the PicsArt. Sorry for the inconvenience. I hope you'll understand. Open your camera, go to filters and change it to black and white. Okay, see here is Chaplin and this is black and white for me. Okay, so please click image as usual. Please don't try to adjust brightness. Okay, so here we are in PicsArt and we are choosing edit image and we are choosing the pic we just clicked. And yes, I'm adjusting and I'm cropping the image, and yes, we are good to go now. Okay, and go to FX. Yes, FX, and go to colors, and yes, choose the negative image. Yes, this is our final output. See how beautifully it is looking. Yes, right. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe.